Breakfast is often hailed as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It sets the tone for your entire day, energizing you and providing essential nutrients. A healthy breakfast idea can transform your mornings from hurried and chaotic to invigorating and nourishing. Imagine starting your day with a delicious bowl of oatmeal, topped with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. This wholesome meal not only fills your stomach, but also fuels your mind with fiber and antioxidants, keeping you focused throughout the morning. Consider an alternative option, a vibrant smoothie bowl. Picture a blend of spinach, banana, and almond milk, poured into a bowl and topped with sliced fruits, nuts, and seeds. This colorful feast not only looks enticing, but also provides a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Smoothie bowls are incredibly versatile. You can experiment with different greens and fruits until you find your perfect combination. For those who prefer a savory start to the day, a vegetable-packed omelet is a satisfying choice. Envision fluffy eggs combined with bell peppers, onions, and spinach, served alongside whole grain toast. This meal not only offers protein, but also an array of nutrients from the fresh vegetables. Top the omelet with a sprinkle of cheese or a dash of hot sauce for an added kick, making it a hearty and delicious option that is sure to keep you full until lunch. If you're on the go, overnight oats can be a game changer. Picture a mason jar filled with rolled oats, soaked overnight in yogurt or milk, layered with fruits and nuts. The next morning, you simply grab your jar and head out the door. This no-fuss meal is packed with fiber and protein, ensuring that you stay satisfied even during your busiest days. You can also add chia seeds for a boost of omega-3 fatty acids and gel-like texture. Don't forget about the benefits of pairing your breakfast with a cup of green tea or freshly brewed coffee. This helps awaken your senses, while the antioxidants provide an extra layer of health benefits. By embracing these healthy breakfast ideas, you're not just filling your belly, you're nourishing your body and mind, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. Choose wisely, and let your breakfast be a delightful start to every morning.